gets still. Thank you so much for joining us on this Sunday morning. I'm Katrina Smith. It's November 6th. Feels like August 6th, maybe. Meteorologist Eric Gage is in the Weather Center to tell us about this unlikely weather for November. And Eric, we want to know, did we break any records? Because you were taunting us with that information yesterday morning.
Yeah, so we actually did break a record for the 5th of November. The warmest November 5th on record was yesterday. 73 degrees was the high. And like I said, it just doesn't feel like November. And it's going to be warm for today, too, in the 70s.
Gorgeous.
In fact, I think it's already almost 70 degrees right now in our areas. So,
at this hour.
Yeah, so very warm for today. In fact, taking a look at our records that we broke, we actually broke on top of the record high temperature. We also matched the highest low temperature overnight at 55 degrees. So definitely two records being, one record being matched and one record being set for yesterday. And warm temperatures do continue for today. Another big reason is because there's a cold front arriving, and also it's dragging in a lot of air from the south, and that's causing wind speeds to be very high, actually very windy yesterday. Last night at 11 p.m. it was 22-mile-per-hour winds, so very windy. And along with that, a cold front is arriving from the west for today. In fact, some of these showers ahead of the cold front are moving through Old Forge right now in some parts of the North Country. And the idea is the breezy conditions from the south are going to be limiting the travel of this front, causing it to become stationary throughout the day today. Now, there's a lot of rotation with these showers, not a lot of elevated convection. So what that means is not expecting any widespread thunderstorms. Still could see a rumble of thunder for today, as well as maybe a brief shower, as well as some gusty winds with these showers. But for the most part, mostly cloudy skies for today. Maybe a break into with some sunshine and looking at some scattered showers later on today. The timing a little bit after sunset, a little bit before sunset. Those details and more are coming up. Back to you, Katrina.
Thank you, Eric. The Houston.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning and welcome back. We're starting out this morning on the warm side in the 60s, reaching the 70-degree mark already within the next couple of hours. Still mostly dry. We're going to be hit or miss with a few showers as we head into this evening. Start by taking a look at our Cavvy Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. Things are looking pretty quiet right now. However, for some areas, seeing some rain showers. Here's a live look at a Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Zooming in a little bit, you can see some rain showers moving through Old Forge right now. Still on the weak side, a quick rain shower moving through. We're keeping an eye on these systems out towards the west, seeing additional rain showers moving through southern Otsego County right now. The bigger picture, a lot of rotation with these showers, not a lot of fuel for these to deal with, but still seeing those brighter yellows and reds, meaning a lot of wind with some of these showers. So keeping an eye on those as we head throughout the day today. Now, the current trend is we got a lot of wind gusts from the south, causing these showers to be delayed and move into our area as we head around sunset for today. So weather headlines, breezy and warm this morning. Temperatures already in the 60s and nearing 70 degrees. Increasing chances for rain showers later on today, and along with that, dry and cooler weather is on the horizon with lots of sunshine as we head into the work week this week. So, chance of rain outlook you can see right here. We're mostly dry until around 3 p.m. as we head into sunset, which, by the way, is an hour earlier today. It's going to be pretty dark pretty quickly. Around 9 p.m., the highest chance of rain showers as this cold front pushes through, still on the weak side, and will gradually weaken as we head into tonight. After that, no rainfall is on the horizon for the start of the work week, and still plenty of sunshine as we head into Tuesday and Wednesday. Radar and satellite composite shows an area of low pressure move just north of us, and a cold front becomes stationary, and this will slowly drag its way over our area as we head into tonight as well as early tomorrow morning. And then that pushes through, and looking at dry conditions, maybe a few lake effect clouds as they move from the west to the east. But after that, dry weather is in our forecast as we head into the remainder of Monday. So our skycast for today, warming up into the 70s, a very warm day for us today. Maybe seeing some sunshine peek through too with mostly cloudy skies. Seeing an isolated rain shower or two. Some of these rain showers could produce an isolated wind gust. There's a lot of rotation, as I mentioned before, with some of these showers. As they push through, seeing this cold front around 11 p.m. slowly move its way out towards the east. And then after that, looking at clear skies for tomorrow night, heading into Monday as well, looking at temperatures warming up into the 50s. A little bit cooler for tomorrow, warming up into the upper 50s for highs, reaching the cooler side for Tuesday night, cooling down into the 30s. So our severe weather risk outlook for today, just mainly gusty winds. Some of these showers are producing rotation. Could even see a rumble of thunder as we head into this evening. So for today, high of 71 degrees, mostly cloudy with a few scattered showers tonight, cooling down into the 50s with lingering showers as that cold front pushes through. And our 7-day forecast looking at dry weather on the horizon. Looking ahead towards cooler temperatures in the 50s for Tuesday, in the upper 50s for Wednesday, and then heading into the 60s by Friday. Warmer temperatures as we head out to the remainder of the work week. And our trivia question, in the early 1800s, the village of Cooperstown was originally named what before it became Cooperstown in 1812?
Well, I phoned a friend, and I think it's Glimmerglass.
Phoned a friend, Glimmerglass. It was Otsego.
My friend let me down.
It was named after Otsego Lake. It was 1807, then it got changed in 1812.
Well, no kidding. Thank you, Eric. We love learning new things from you and not just about the weather. Okay, so joining me now, Vince. Welcome back, and thank you for joining us for another half hour of News Channel 2 Weekend Today. I'm Katrina Smith. It's Sunday, November 6th. Current temperature outside is, Eric, what is it? 69 degrees on November 6th.
November 6th, 69 degrees. And in fact, some areas are already reaching the 70-degree mark at 9:37. So it's already a very warm start to your Sunday. Now, we're going to be trending on the cooler side later on this week after a cold front moves through, but enjoy the warmer temperatures for today at least. Taking a look at temperatures across the area this morning in the 60s and 70s. Skywatch is checking in 69 degrees in Westdale, 70 in Verona Beach, as well as Mohawk. 65 degrees in Curtis Corners, 68 degrees in New Hartford. In the Southern Valley, 68 degrees or 67 degrees in Hartwick, as well as Emerson, and 66 degrees checking in Cooperstown. I want to highlight, we haven't talked about the tropical tracker in a while. There's a system developing just off the East Coast, and this is moving up towards Florida, developing into a tropical system. And as it moves towards Florida, current trends have it turning into Florida and then moving its way up the coast and staying east of our area for right now. That's the one concern we're keeping an eye out for right now. For the most part, it's still several days out in advance, 5 days, so we're still keeping an eye on that for the most part. I'll let you know if things do develop and start trending our direction. Now, locally in our area, taking a live look at Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar. Some moving showers moving through our area, especially south of the Mohawk Valley, heading into Cooperstown, as well as Oneonta. But this cold front is moving its way out from the west and will start to stall throughout the day today. And for the most part, expect dry conditions with temperatures very warm at temperatures in the 70s, mostly cloudy skies. And then some scattered showers will move into our area around sunset tonight. And we'll break down what to expect for temperatures later on in the week coming up. Back over to you.
Thank you so much, Eric.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning and welcome back. It's a very warm start to your Sunday morning. Temperatures already in the 60s and 70s in some parts of our area, and remaining mostly mild and warm for today with some rain showers arriving later on tonight. After that, cooler weather and drier weather is on the horizon. Start by taking a look at our Utica National Cooperstown camera overlooking Main Street in Cooperstown right now. Still seeing mostly dry conditions so far in our area. However, we're seeing some light drizzle and rain showers move through some parts of area this morning. Here's a live look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. We're keeping an eye on these showers right here. This is a band of this brighter yellow and seeing a little bit of red right here. Seeing possibly a few stronger wind gusts with some of these showers as they move east into our area. So for the most part, if you're in Old Forge, could see some wind gusts as those rain showers move through. Some less wind gusts moving through Oneonta right now with some lingering rain showers moving through our morning. After that, you see this line of this cold front right here, a lot of rotation. You're seeing how these are basically turning, you can see the profile of these rain showers. That's because of the very high rotation and shear in the atmosphere right now. That will be weakening throughout the day today, so we're not expecting, for the most part, any severe weather, but some of these rain showers could produce some gusty winds. So for the headlines this morning, breezy, very breezy this morning. Wind gusts, some areas in the Mohawk Valley seeing 45-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Heading into this afternoon, increasing chances for rain later on today. After that, dry weather with lots of sunshine is on the horizon, a little bit cooler as well. As you can see here, our chance of rain outlook a little bit after sunset for today's rain showers move through from that cold front. Not expecting a total lot of accumulation, but still enough to get some areas wet. After that, dry weather does move into our area, and then will continue for the remainder of the work week. So radar and satellite composite, there's an area of low pressure just north of us dragging this cold front through our area. And as you can see, it's going to start weakening and then becoming stationary as we head into tonight. And this will slowly move its way over our area. This is around 2 a.m. in the morning, and then finally move its way over into the east as we head into tomorrow with some lingering lake effect clouds moving into our area for early tomorrow morning. So plating it all on our Skycast for today, warming up into the 70s, the lower to mid 70s for today with a chance to see some sunshine. After that, a lingering shower or two could move through. These could produce some gusty winds. After that, the front finally pushes through later on tonight into early tomorrow morning. And starting out tomorrow, very windy for tomorrow morning. Temperatures on the cooler side in the 50s. And only warming up into the upper 50s for highs tomorrow. So a bit of a difference, a 20-degree difference for the highs for tomorrow. And then for tonight, cooling down into the 30s, or this is for tomorrow night, cooling down into the 30s, another chilly night, and looking ahead towards a chilly start to the work week. So for today, high 71 degrees, mostly cloudy, some scattered lingering showers for tonight, a low of 53 degrees, and breezy conditions do continue for tomorrow in our 7-day forecast. Dry weather as we head into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. A little bit cooler on Tuesday, highs only in the lower 50s, and warm up again as we head into Thursday and Friday with some rain showers as we wrap up the work week. And our final trivia question of the weekend, what is nori, an ingredient used in making sushi?
Gee, I don't know. I love sushi, but I usually just look at the pictures. Let's say seaweed, D.
Seaweed is seaweed. And I love sushi too, so I'm with you there. And I didn't know what that was even called before, but...
Right? I mean, you look at the pictures and you're like, I want that.
Yeah, it's like, I don't know what's in it, but it looks good and I want it. So.
Yeah, that's funny. Nori is seaweed. Thank you so much, Eric. Well, Pfizer is working...
At your forecast at midnight, meteorologist Eric Gage has that first look for you, Eric.
Yes, and good morning. And in fact, for this weekend, wrapping up and looking ahead towards more cooler temperatures this week. But I'm recapping what we saw for this weekend. Yesterday, our high of 77 broke the record of 76 degrees for November 6 highs. But on top of that, the big story was yesterday morning. 68 degrees, the overnight low. That is the warmest low ever recorded in the month of November, at least going back to the 1800s. So a very warm start to November. Now we're cooling down to more average temperatures as we head throughout the week this week, and taking a live look at our Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. This is the reason why some heavier rain showers with some gusty winds are moving their way outside of our area for this morning and cooling down into the 50s overnight with drying conditions as these rain showers continue to push their way east. So for tonight, cooling down into the 50s with more chances of some rain showers later on in the work week, but dry weather on the horizon for the first start of the week. And those details and more are coming up. Back over to you.
Thank you very much, Eric.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good morning and welcome back. Wrapping up an absolutely warm weekend across central New York with temperatures averaging in the 70s for highs, record-breaking weekend. Cooling down to more average temperatures as we head throughout the work week this week. Start by taking a look at our UK National Cooperstown camera overlooking Main Street in Cooperstown. Seeing some light rain on the roads right now, and that is mainly due to this cold front that has moved through our area throughout this night. Here's a live look at Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. These rain showers are continuing their way out towards the east, still producing some gusty winds as well as some locally heavy rainfall. Be careful if anyone's on the roads for tonight. Now this will push through by tomorrow morning, and we're looking at mostly dry for your morning commute tomorrow. So weather headlines: a lingering shower tonight, especially those areas east in the Otsego County area. Dry, cooler weather tomorrow, windy as well, especially in the Mohawk Valley. Wind speeds between 15 and 20 miles per hour. And along with that, sunshine and average temperatures throughout the work week. So no rainfall is expected at least until Friday of this week. Radar and satellite composite shows this cold front pushing through, and it has been weakening. So for the most part, we have been staying clear of severe weather. Still gusty winds and some locally heavy rainfall with that front. Now, as this pushes through, could we see some clouds overnight tomorrow night? But for the most part, looking at clear skies with plenty of sunshine. The only big weather story for the next couple of days is going to be the wind. So For tonight, cooling down into the 40s and 30s on the chilly side for tonight, but still on the dry side, looking at temperatures on the mild side for tonight, cooling down into the 50s. Heading into your early morning, this is actually for Tuesday, a little bit zoomed out a little bit, so I'll explain your Tuesday commute. But for tomorrow, still see some lingering clouds for your morning, but by the afternoon, still looking mostly dry with plenty of sunshine. Your afternoon commute for Tuesday, still looking dry with plenty of sunshine, cooling down into the 30s overnight for we should say tonight, since it's in the morning hours for right now. And heading into Tuesday, looking at more mild temperatures, warming up into the 40s for highs. A bit on the cooler side, a very cool start to the work week, especially after tomorrow. But for tonight, a low of 34, a lingering shower, especially east of our area. And heading into our 7-day forecast, you can see dry weather continuing, plenty of sunshine, not expecting any serious issues with commuting for this week, except for some wind gusts for tomorrow. Plenty of sunshine for voting on Tuesday. Rain showers return Friday and Saturday, and the possibility of some snow flurries Sunday. Those details will be provided throughout the work week.